this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday video. One of the best videos that I do for the entire week. And I look forward to it, and I am so excited because it is works in progress on our 3-tier carts. And I get to show off what you guys are working on. And I love that so very much. Today I am drinking out of my Oh Snap cup. Isn't it just adorable? And I'm drinking peppermint bark. Thank you, Kelly, for the advent calendar. I appreciate it very much. And this is very good. So this is day 14 of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm excited to be able to show you guys what you guys are working on. So yeah, let's go to that clip real quick. So here we have Julie's cart. And Julie says that on the top shelf is a popcorn gift bag that she wants to finish this week, and that looks so cool. The middle shelf is the knitted drop stitch shawl, and the bottom shelf is the scrap yarn blanket that she wants to finish this month. And that she does have a YouTube channel, and so you can check out her projects on there as well. And Julie, you have some wonderful projects going there. Thank you so much for sharing with us. So here we have Rebecca's cart, and she says on the top is 2 frisbees and 2 of my infinity scarves and a snake. And thank you so much for making my infinity scarves. I just love them. The middle is 3 more infinity scarves with my pattern and another snake and another frisbee. And the bottom yarn is to make more items with Pamela. Thank you so much, Rebecca. You are so sweet, and I love all the beautiful things you have there and that you are enjoying those infinity scarves. I love the infinity scarves as well. And I love that snake, that orange and black snake there. So cute. Thank you for sharing with us. Okay, here we have Cindy's card, and Cindy says that she's working on my Easy Crochet washcloth, and she's also finishing up some crochet jar toppers tutorial by Le Petit Saint Crochet. And I just want to say your washcloths are beautiful. Great job, and I'm so glad you're using my pattern. And guys, I just wanted to share this new project journal that she's working on. I think it's so cool. I've been working on one since January, and I couldn't live without it. I mean, I refer back to mine so much all year long, and the photos, I mean, you just got to have the photos. And anyway, so I'm so proud of you, Cindy, for doing the project journal. You're going to love that. And your items, the pictures and stuff you got on there are so cute. So thank you so much for sharing that, and I hope you guys will start a project journal as well. So now we have Patsy's cart. Patsy, you crack me up. You always crack me up, girl. She says on the top shelf, she has the necessities for an old person. Antacids, arthritis cream, sewing notions. And the middle shelf is a pocket shawl by me. So thank you for doing that. It is beautiful. The yarn is Hirschner's Worsted Stripes in color Fiery Canyons. And I love those colors, by the way. Just gorgeous. The bottom shelf is yarn for her new pattern, hot off the press from Adoring Crochet. Drum row, Gigi's gingerbread dress. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate that. I had so much fun creating that pattern. So yeah, so thank you for working on that. And she said that she's checked my shop, and there it was, and she was excited. So thank you so much, Patsy, for working my patterns. I appreciate that very much. Okay. Weren't there some exciting things that everyone is working on? I just love it. If you would like for your WIP cart or your WIP space to be included in one of my videos, please send me an email. Please post in the Facebook group page. I would love it. Everyone else would love it. Because you guys, it shouldn't be all about me. It shouldn't be me being the only one inspiring you guys. You guys are just as good as I am, and you inspire me and others. So yeah, I like to showcase what you guys are working on. Okay, so I do have a giveaway that was in yesterday's video, so I will leave the link below for you guys so that you can go check out that video. I have my flash drive. It's an $85 flash drive that's in the giveaway. Now it's US only, but you know, that's just the way it's got to be because of shipping expenses and stuff. But there will be 2 packs of these if you haven't seen the video, and an $85 flash drive of all of my patterns that I have in my shop. I believe I have probably about 200 and maybe 15 items in there right now, something like that, 214. Yeah. And I'd like to say thank you guys for all the sales that I got yesterday. I appreciate that very much. You guys really went through my Etsy shop yesterday, and I just want to say how thankful and blessed that I am for you guys. Okay, so the one WIP that I'm working on, I plan on working on 2 WIP. This is one of them. I am getting this done. This is the Annie's right there. Isn't it beautiful? I plan on working on that this weekend. All I need is the border. And I will show that to you guys right there. See that? Just the border. It looks like it's just green, white, and red. Yeah. I'll be done with that in no time, right? You guys know how fast I crochet. Okay, so let's see what progress I have made on Knox's blanket. You know, this has got to be done before the 24th because that's when the party is. So the yarn that I'm using for this is Hobie. I will leave a link below for this yarn if you're interested in it. This is Hobie Amigo, I guess, and it's a 4-weight yarn, and I think there's like 109 yards in here. This color, oh no. Oh, and if you do order and you have to have the XL on there for the medium 4-weight. Okay, so it's color 34. And this one is color 12. So that's the 2 colors that I'm working on right now. And I don't have too much longer, and I am done with this baby. So what I did is I did another row of these cars right here. And I reversed some of the colors. So this is what I'm working on. It's going to be about that size right there, and I'm like right there. So I just got a few more rows. I'll be done with that. And I'm thinking, oh, and this is the Yarn Inspirations Taxi Throw, by the way, if you're interested. I'll leave the link below for it. It's a free pattern. If you're interested, yeah. I lost my train of thought there. Okay, so when I get this done, I think I have another one of these to put on, and then I put this, and then all I got to do is put the border, and I'm done. So there's one set of cars. There's the flag part, I guess. And there's the other set of cars. Let's see. Started with blue. Yeah, and then I did these. So the cars down at the bottom have blue. And then, there we go. Now we can get all the cars in there. Yeah. And then after these cars, then there's more flag. I mean, this is a long blanket. So I want to make another one so I can have one for here at my house when he comes over too. But I'm not going to do it. It's too big of a project. But that's it so far, if you can see all of it. And the cars, if you haven't seen my past videos, the cars are done in a cross-stitch design. And this is what the cars kind of look on the back side with a cross-stitch design. Really nothing that great to look at. But, oh, and these cars I did perfect. The first set of cars, you know how I told you I was off a little and you know, just odd little things like this. These cars came out perfect. So, yeah, I'm pleased about that. So, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Doing my thing. Each one of us has a body with many parts, and these parts all have different uses. In the same way, we are many, but in Christ, we are all one body. Each one is a part of that body, and each part belongs to all the other parts. Romans 12, 4, and 5. Good Father, I see your goodness in the diversity of your people. Thank you that we were never meant to be cookie-cutter people. I was created uniquely and wonderfully. I know that my makeup is not the same as everyone else around me. What a great reality. You keep things fresh. You create in similarities, but never carbon copies. I am grateful to know that the strengths and gifts you put in me were with a purpose and a plan, and I get to use them for you. When I start to compare my weaknesses with others' strengths, remind me that we are all different parts of the same body. A pinky was never meant to have the strength of a leg. I will look to you, God, to find the confidence I need. I lean in to hear your words of life that remind me of my true identity, the person you always created me to be. I will freely operate in the gifts I have. How do your gifts strengthen and serve others? Wow, I really needed this today. Okay, guys, wasn't that beautiful? It's always beautiful. I have so much joy in bringing that to you guys, and I'm so glad that you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. Well, guys, that's all I have for this video. I plan on making a an ornament, what do you call it? A toy soldier. That's it, a toy soldier ornament. I plan on going shopping maybe this weekend or week or something. Maybe see if I can't find some more little Christmas mugs for my intro video. Just to kind of finish out December. I don't need but just a few more, you know. And let's see. I guess that's all I have. I'm just going to work on those two projects right there and the toy soldier. So I guess that's it. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.